Good morning from Eurotech, guys. We have a very exciting day today. We just got 6 cars from the auction that we got this Tuesday, all salvage cars. So we're trying to see which ones of them start. And so far we only have one that runs. We were hoping at least 3 or 4 would run, but so far only one runs. So right now we're trying to see what's up with this Audi 2016 Audi A6. There was a flood. That we hope the engine is good, but doesn't look good so far. So we're checking it, making sure, as you can see, trying to get it running. Okay guys, so we're taking out the spark plugs with this engine to see if we'll be able to turn it. There is a lot of water in it, but there is a small chance that the engine will turn over. We'll find out in a moment. If not, we're probably gonna need a new engine. Okay guys, here's the moment of truth. That's it. Finito. Finito! And here goes our $3,500 that we're gonna spend for a new motor. Well, that's why, you know, you have to assume the worst and then hope for the best. That's how we roll.
Okay, German cars is no good. Okay, they're no good, they're garbage.
Yeah,
okay, stay American or Japanese.
Yeah, because that, see, I paid $3,200 for this broken freaking engine. $3,200. Okay guys, for the record, I don't think German cars are junk, but the parts are definitely very expensive, so you gotta check these cars carefully when you buy them. Right, senor?
Yep.
All right, on the lift we have our next case, 2016 Audi A6, which had some flood damage. So what happened was the engine sucked in some water and hydrolocked. So there is no water damage inside, everything is dry, but we do have to replace the engine. We got an engine right here. Yeah, this was not cheap by any means. Unfortunately, sometimes this is what happens with flood cars. You never know 100%, especially with these German cars. It's very hard to check the engine without like the lift and the tools, you know, with the auction. So you're kind of taking a gamble. So we were hoping we're gonna get lucky, but unfortunately we didn't. So I spent like a lot of money on this engine. I'll tell you guys in the breakdown after we fix this car. I'll tell you how much everything cost. So Senor Henry will put it in the car, hopefully in a couple days, and it's gonna be running. And I'll catch you guys in a couple days. See you, bye. Just wanted to give you a quick update on our Audi rebuild project. As you can see, transmission and engine is out of the car already, which took a lot of work, but we had no choice. We had to take it out completely because the engine is completely seized up. There is no way to turn it, so we couldn't. We just had to drop the whole frame, engine, transmission, and now, as you can see, it's empty over here. It's a big hole. But don't worry, it looks scary now, but our magic man, Mr. Henry, knows what he's doing. So in no time, this thing is gonna be ready and running. Catch you guys soon. Bye. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Very exciting day today at Eurotech. We're about to start this 2016 Audi A6. It was a lot of work. We had to take everything apart, drop the engine and transmission, drop the frame, take the bumper off, everything. It took a long time, and now we're gonna find out if it runs or not. Senor, go ahead. Yeah, baby. Thing is running. Woo! Smooth like butter, guys. Smooth like butter. You get it. I'm so happy. Cost us a lot of money, but the car is nice now. check engine light is on, guys, but hopefully it's nothing serious. All right, let's go. Guys, I'm so stoked right now. Our Audi rebuild project is finally over. How nice is that? This is just awesome. Take a look at this car, guys. See how nice it turned out. Absolutely stunning, guys. Check it out inside. Take a look. Take a look at the interior. Beautiful brown leather, navigation, backup camera. Thing is fully loaded. Beautiful, beautiful car. Still has a couple lights on the dash, like the airbag light is on and tire pressure, but we're gonna take care of it. It's not a big deal. All right, so let me walk you through the numbers, guys, and let you know how much we paid for the car, how much it cost us to fix it, and if it was worth it for us or not. So we bought the car with fees, towing to the shop and things like that, cost us $14,500. And like I mentioned before, we bought the engine for $3,500. I mean $3,200, but we still had to change the fluids, oil, you know, antifreeze, things like that. So let's say it cost us $3,500 to replace the engine. So all in all, this car cost us like $18,000. And currently on the market, these cars go anywhere from like $26,000 to $28,000. So basically we saved like $10,000, which I think is amazing. Obviously it would be even better if we didn't have to replace the engine. That would be like a home run, but even with the replacement engine, I think it was still worth it. We saved 10,000 bucks, and the car is absolutely amazing. So another good thing about it also is that inside it was completely dry. There was no water inside, so all the electrical components, everything is clean and intact, everything works. So that was a major plus. So all in all, I'm happy with this project, and I think it was totally worth it. I hope you guys like it, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. And we're gonna be posting way more content. Let me know what you guys would like to see. Post it in the comments. You know, I like to read them. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be posting more content about the auctions, where we get these cars, how the auctions work, mistakes that people make when just starting out. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of cool stuff coming out. So thank you guys, and I'll see you later in the next video.